Hi guys, this is going to be a quick tutorial on how to use the eBooks app to access our book for the book study. The first thing you need to do is locate the app. It's called Books. It has an orange background with what looks like a white open book. So I'm going to click on that app, and this takes me into the eBooks app. Once I'm here, along the bottom, you'll see a toolbar, and I'm just going to click on the word library. That'll take me to my library of books. So the next thing I want to do is open the book that we're using for our book study called Stress Busting Strategies for Teachers. If you don't see this in your library, please contact Chrissy Barr right away so she can get it out to you. So when I click on it, it's going to take me right away to the front cover of the book. To open the book and to switch to a new page, I just swipe with my finger to open to the next page. So I'm just dragging my finger along the screen to swipe to the next page. So I'm going to keep swiping until I get to the first page with text. So now that I'm here, you can just read as normal, and that would be fine. But if you're somebody who likes to highlight and add notes as you read, I'm going to show you how to do that now. So let's say this first sentence I think is important, and I would like to highlight it. I'm choosing one word in the sentence, and I'm holding down on just that one word until it turns blue. Once it turns blue, you'll notice there's two cursors with dots on the end. I'm just going to take that cursor and drag it to the end of where I would like to highlight to. Then when I get the pop-up, I'm going to press the word highlight. Notice it automatically just picked green for me, but you can choose any color you want. I will pick yellow. So let's say I continue to read and I find something else that I think is important, but I don't want to highlight it. It's just important to underline. So I'll do the same thing where I click on one word, wait for it to turn blue, use the cursor to drag it to the end of where I want highlighted. I'm still going to press the word highlight, but this time I'm going to click on the colors, and instead of choosing a color, I'm going to choose the A with a red underline. If you are anything like me, sometimes I accidentally do too much, and let's say I didn't mean to, but oops, I accidentally did this whole entire section and I want to get rid of it. That's actually pretty easy to do. All you do is you click anywhere inside of that highlighted section, go back to the word highlight, but this time just press the trash can and it gets rid of what you accidentally highlighted. Another cool tool I want to show you is the Post-it note feature. So let's say after you read this page, you have some thoughts that you want to remember to talk about when we Zoom. So just go anywhere in the page and you hold down, press the highlight button again. But this time, instead of pressing the highlighter, I'm going to press the Post-it note, and then you can write whatever note you want. And then when you click outside of it, it goes away. So the Post-it note feature, if you look to the right of where you highlighted, it's going to show up there. If I click that little blue box on the right, it'll pop up. And then when I click outside of it, it goes away. So if you wanted to refer back to it, you would just press the button, and to get out of it, you click away. The next thing I want to talk about is the bookmark feature. So when you're done reading for the day and you don't want to forget what page you're on, you can just leave a bookmark. That's pretty easy to do. On the top right of your screen, there's something that looks like a little bookmark. I press it once and it turns red. It doesn't really do anything other than just let me know that this is the page I left off on. When I come back tomorrow and want to start reading again or next week or whatever, I just click it on it one more time and it goes away. There's one more feature I wanted to talk about today. So let's say I'm reading and I find a word and it's not a word that I'm familiar with or that I've ever used before. So I want to look up what it means. So rather than leaving this app and going to a dictionary and looking it up, that actually has it built in. So I'm just going to hold over the word that I'm not sure about, highlight it, and then press the word look up, and a definition comes up for the word. So I think that's pretty cool too. When I'm done, I'll just press done and then it goes away. That's it for today. If you have any extra questions about this, don't hesitate to reach out. If you just want me to do this one-on-one with you and do it in person, go through the whole thing, that's fine as well. Have a great time reading and good luck using the new features.